Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'm just going to get to it. So this sketch took me 3 minutes, actually all 3 of them took me 3 minutes, and I'm really happy at the fact that it was the maximum 3 minutes that I took, because it was quite a detailed sketch, specifically because the hand was on the face. I'm really happy at the proportions, the layout, everything just came together, and I'm really happy at the fact that they're all similar and that you can actually see it's from the same sketch essentially. I do like this hand. I didn't have I ran out of time for this hand, so it's kind of more gauged, gestured. So yeah, I'm really happy with number three's hand. However, I prefer number two's actual face. So you do get. I'm happy at the fact that they're all similar, and as I said, they're from. You can tell it's from the same sketch. However, yeah, I know there's room for improvement. It's like this cheekbone should be further up, but every day's a learning day, and I'm improving each day from using this learning style and learning method. Quick speed, a good speed, beg your pardon, with the feedback loop, along with geometric and observational methods, and from that I am improving my sketching very, very quickly. Stay tuned guys, thanks!